Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging, then remove any user-removable battery so there's no residual power. Once done, ground yourself with an anti-static strap or by touching a metal chassis edge. Static will fry an NVMe. Next, flip the laptop, remove the service panel screws into a tray, and gently pry the panel using a plastic spudger. Don't force clips. Make sure you can see the M2 slot and mounting standoff before moving to the next step. You'll now remove the NVMe. First, identify the small retention screw holding the drive at the standoff and use a magnetic or precision screwdriver. Once the screw is loosened, lift the module gently at a shallow angle, about 20 degrees, and slide it out straight along the connector. Do not wiggle aggressively. After extraction, place the SSD into an anti-static bag and label it with model and slot information so you know which. You finish by reversing disassembly. Refit the access panel, replace screws evenly and snug them, don't over-tighten. Reinstall the battery or reconnect power, then boot into BIOS to verify the drive is no longer listed or to confirm any replacement is recognized. If the system fails to boot, make sure you didn't disturb other connectors. If needed, reopen and reseat the NVMe or restore the original screw position. As a troubleshooting tip, check BIOS boot order. Sometimes the motherboard prioritizes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.